A blessed day to everyone, and our devotion for today is found in the book of Numbers, the fourth book of the Old Testament, chapter 3, verses 1 to 11, the sons of Aaron. There are the generations of Aaron and Moses at the time when the Lord spoke with Moses on Mount Sinai. These are the names of the sons of Aaron: Nadab, the firstborn, and Abihu, Eleazar, and Itamar. These are the names of the sons of Aaron, the anointed priest whom he ordained to serve as priest. But Nadab and Abihu died before the Lord when they offered unauthorized fire before the Lord in the wilderness of Sinai, and they had no children. So Eleazar and Itamar served as priests in the lifetime of Aaron their father. Duties of the Levites. And the Lord spoke to Moses, saying, Bring the tribe of Levi near, and set them before Aaron the priest, that they may minister to him. They shall keep guard over him and over the whole congregation before the tent of meeting, as they minister at the tabernacle. They shall guard all the furnishings of the tent of meeting and keep guard over the people of Israel as they minister at the tabernacle. And you shall give the Levites to Aaron and his sons. They are wholly given to him from among the people of Israel. And you shall appoint Aaron and his sons, and they shall guard their priesthood. But if any outsider comes near, he shall be put to death. And the Lord spoke to Moses, saying, This is the word of the Lord. Amen.
Good evening, everyone. My devotion for today is from Numbers chapter 3, verse 12 to 21. I have taken the Levites from among the Israelites in place of the first male offspring of every Israelite woman. The Levites are mine, for all the firstborn are mine. When I struck down all the firstborn in Egypt, I set apart for myself every firstborn in Israel, whether human or animal. They are to be mine. I am the Lord. The Lord said to Moses in the desert of Sinai, Count the Levites by their families and clans. Count every male a month old or more. So Moses counted them, as he commanded by the word of the Lord. These were the names of the sons of Levi: Gershon, Kohath, and Merari. These were the names of the Gershonite clans: Libni and Shimei. The Kohathite clans: Amram, Izhar, Hebron, and Aziel. The Merarite clans: Mali and Mushi. These were the Levite clans according to their families. To Gershon belonged the clans of the Libnites and Shimeites. These were the Gershonite clans. The word of the God. Amen.
Good day, everyone. Our devotion for today is from the book of Numbers, chapter 3, verse 22 to 31. The Levites. The number of all the males, a man old or more, who were counted was 7,500. The Gershonites clans were to camp on the west, behind the tabernacle. The leader of the families of the Gershonite was Eliasaph, son of Leel. At the tent of meeting, the Gershonites were responsible for the care of the tabernacle and tent, its coverings, the curtain at the entrance to the tent of meeting, the curtains of the courtyard, the curtain at the entrance of the courtyard surrounding the tabernacle and altar, and the ropes and everything related to their use. To Kohath belongs the clans of Amarites, Israelites, Hebronites, and Uzzielites. These were the Kohathites' clans. The number of all the males among all or more was 8,600. The Kohathites were responsible for the care of the sanctuary. The Kohathite clans were to come to the south on the south side of the tabernacle. The leader of the families of the Kohathites clan was Elisaphan, son of Uzziel. They were responsible for the care of the ark, the table, the lampstand, the altars, the articles of the sanctuary used in ministering, the curtain, and everything related to their use. Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. Our reading for today is from the book of Numbers, chapter 3, Duties of the Levites. I'll be reading from verse 32 to 41. And here is the scriptures. And Eleazar, the son of Aaron, the priest, was to be chief over the chief of the Levites, and to have oversight of those who keep guard over the sanctuary. To Merari belonged the clan of the Mahalites and the clan of the Mosites. These are the clans of Merari. Their listing, according to the number of all the males from a month old and upward, was 6,200. And the chief of the father's house of the clans of Merari was Zuriel, the son of Abihail. They were to come on the north side of the tabernacle. And the appointed guard duty of the sons of Merari involved the frames of the tabernacle, the bars, the pillars, and the bases, and all their accessories, all the service connected with this, also the pillars around the court, with their bases and pegs and cords. Those who were to camp before the tabernacle on the east, before the tent of meeting toward the sunrise, were Moses and Aaron and his sons, guarding the sanctuary itself, to protect the people of Israel. And any outsider who came near was to be put to death. All those listed among the Levites, whom Moses and Aaron listed at the commandment of the Lord. By clans, all the males from a month old and upward were 22,000. Redemptions of the firstborn. And the Lord said to Moses, List all the firstborn males of the people of Israel, from a month old and upward, taking the number of their names. And you shall take the Levites for me. I am the Lord. Instead of all the firstborn among the people of Israel, and the cattle of the Levites instead of all the firstborn among the cattle of the people of Israel. Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Numbers, chapter 3, verses 42 to 51. And it says, So Moses counted all the firstborn of the Israelites, as the Lord commanded him. The total number of firstborn males a month old or more, listed by name, was 22,273. The Lord also said to Moses, Take the Levites in place of all the firstborn of Israel, and the livestock of the Levites in place of their livestock. The Levites are to be mine. I am the Lord, to redeem the 273 firstborn Israelites who exceed the number of the Levites. Collect 5 shekels for each one according to the sanctuary shekel, which weigh 20 gerahs. Give the money for the redemption of the additional Israelites to Aaron and his sons. So Moses collected the redemption money from those who exceeded the number redeemed by the Levites. From the firstborn of the Israelites, he collected silver weighing 1,365 shekels according to the sanctuary shekel. Moses gave the redemption money to Aaron and his sons, as he was commanded by the word of the Lord. This is the word of the Lord. Amen.